arithmetic progression. Now I'm going to introduce you some numbers here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and here is 17, 13, 9, 5 and 1. See the first series here. 3, 6, 9. What is going to happen here? See here. If I am adding 3 here, then I'll get 6. If I get add again 3, I will get 9. Again 3, then 12, then 15. It means here is coming, the difference is the same. In between difference same, in between difference same, in between difference same. It is a plus 3. Okay, come on here. Here 17 and here 13. Now going to decrease. This is difference is minus 4. Again difference minus 4. Again difference minus 4. It means difference is constant in the series. These type of series are called arithmetic series. Okay. Now first of all, what is meaning of sequence? Okay. What is a sequence? An arrangement of a numbers in some definite order and according to some rules. Okay, these type of series is called their sequence. Okay, we can say progression. Okay, AP. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding or subtracting a fixed number to the preceding term, except the first term. First term whatsoever, then here 3 is to be added, see here, and here 4 is subtracted. This type of progression is called arithmetic progression. This is also arithmetic progression. Now come on for common difference. Common difference, the difference between any two consecutive terms of an AP is called common difference. The word consecutive means second term minus first term, fifth term minus fourth term. Okay, like the difference you have to find out like this. Here second term minus fourth term, second term minus first term. What will be D? 24 minus 20. Here is 4. Here what is D? Second term minus first term. 48 minus 50. D is coming minus 2. You can take any. 44 minus 46. Again you will get minus 2. Question number 2. Write first 4 terms of AP when A and D is given to you. See, A is 10 and D is also 10. See the general term A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. This is the general term. Okay. Now I am going to put here A is 10, 10 here. This is 10 plus 10. This is 10. And 2 into 10 is 20. 10 plus 3 into 10 is 30. And so on. What will be AP? 10, 20, 30, this is 40 and so on. This is your answer. Okay, one more. See, A is minus 1 and D is your half. Okay, and what is the sequence? Arithmetic progression is what? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. A is here minus 1 plus half, minus 1 plus 2 into half, minus 1 plus 3 into half, then and so on. Here minus 1 plus half, this will be your minus half. Okay, 2 to 2 cut, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay, minus 1 is here and 3 by 2, this will be 1 by 2 and this is going directly, this is your answer. One last one, see here. A is given minus 1.25 and D is minus 0.25. This is general term that you know. Now I am going to put here minus 1.25 minus 1.25. D is what? Minus 0.25. Minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25 minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. Okay. Now see the last one. Minus 1.25. This will be minus 1.5. Okay. This is minus 1 point. This is 0.5 and this is 0.25 minus 1.75. This is minus 0.75 and this is minus 1.25. This will be minus 2.00 and so on. This is your answer. Yes, for the next question. For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. This is the AP. First term is what? This A is equal to 3. What is the common difference? You can say second term minus first term. Second term is, I am writing A2 minus A1. This is 1 minus 3. This is minus 2. This is your answer. Okay, one more. This is A and B is what? A2 minus A1. A2 is what? 5 by 3. A1 is what? 1 by 3. Okay, then take LCM. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. 4 upon 3. This is your answer. Getting? It's very easy. Come on. Here, A. A is what? First term. 0.6. B is what? A2 minus A1. A2 is 1.7 and A1 is 0.6. This will be 1.1. This is your answer. Next question is, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find common difference and write 3 more terms. First of all, you have to check the given question is in AP or not. Check out the difference, common difference. Here difference is plus 2, but it is coming here plus 4. So we can say it is not AP. Okay. Let me see the common difference. This is D, 5 by 2 minus 2. So what we can say, 5 by, if 2 is LCM, this is 1 by 2. Okay, if you take this, again you will get 1 by 2. So what is the common difference? D will come 1 by 2. If you add this 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, this will become 4. Next 3 terms I want. Okay, 4 plus 1 by 2. This will become 9 by 2. 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is 10 by 2. 10 by 2, this will be 5. This is your answer. Okay, next is very easy. See, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. What will be the next? 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. But what is the common difference? D, second term minus first term. Second term is this, first term is root 2. This is your answer. Okay, see, next one. Magical, no? All are equal. The next 3 terms should be equal. This is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. What is the common difference? Second term minus first term. Minus half plus half. This will become 0. It's very easy. Now it is very important. This is important. Okay, this is root 2. Root 2 is this. Okay, 8, what can I write? 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. This is 2 root 2. This is 18. 9 2s are 18. The root of 9 is 3. 3 root 2. This is 16 to the 32. This is 4 root 2. Then what will be the next? 1 root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2. Then 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. These are three terms. Common difference I am finding here. What is common difference? Second term minus first term. 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is